Es conmigo, yo solo quiero estar contigo. Quiero estar contigo. Yo no quiero que veas como yo te vi, yeah. Pero otra vez, yo te quiero ver cerca de mí, cerca de mí.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I hope that you guys are blessed and having a phenomenal summer. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Unice, and if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. This time I kind of wanted something that looked very natural, that was appropriate for summer, something that mimicked my own natural hair. So I decided to pick up this easy contour V-part wig. This V-part wig has their newly upgraded wig cap that's supposed to give you a look like the hair is growing directly from your scalp. It's super comfortable. It has 5 wefted clips, 3 combs, a removable adjustable band. It does have the silicone backing and a drawstring. So this is what my wig looks like. I do have it in that kinky curly texture. My wig is 20 inches long. I kind of wanted something that was about the same length as my natural hair and something that wasn't too warm for the summertime, so I went with the 20 inch. This wig is 150% density. It does have 2 convenient options, so you can wear it with or without leave out. I decided to wear it with leave out just because I kind of wanted to look like my natural hair. But right now I am just going in and redefining the curls. I wanted something that looked a lot like my natural hair, so I'm just spraying it down with some water. I'm using a little bit of my sea moss curling slime. Then I'm just going through the hair with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. If you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, I will link it down in the info section below. Once again, I am just spraying the hair down with some water, applying a little bit of my sea moss curling slime. Then I'm brushing through it with my Felicia Leatherwood brush just to get everything to clump together and to look like my natural hair. So I let the wig sit and air dry, and y'all, I like literally sat this wig outside of my backyard for like an hour and it was completely dry. Y'all live in Arizona, it's super hot out here. Y'all comment below where you guys live and what your temperature is, because it was like 1:15 when I dried this wig. It literally took an hour and it was dry. So once again, this is just the inside of the cap. I'm just going to remove those little straps around the V part because you do not need it. Please don't install the wig with those straps still attached. You don't need it. Cut them right out. And this is what the unit looks like. Once again, this is their newly upgraded easy contour wig cap. So the hair around the V part is supposed to mimic the look of it growing directly from your scalp to give you a superior natural look. And I highly appreciated that because I do like my V-part wigs to look natural. My natural hair is already braided back in cornrows. I did use some curling products in order to achieve a nice little braid out look. I did apply a little bit of oil to my fingertips to where when I take down the braids, I'm not really developing too much frizz. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those braids so we can see if my natural hair will blend in with the V-part. So now I'm going to go ahead and install my V-part wig. Now this is definitely a beginner's friendly unit, super simple. I will be utilizing the wefted clips around the V-part. I think I use a total of 4 of the clips. Y'all don't mind that gray hair. Ignore it. So I'm going to go ahead and anchor the wefted clips to my 2 outer braids around the V part, and then I'm just going to adjust the drawstring in the very back to where I can get a nice comfortable fit. Make sure that you tuck in the end of the drawstring inside of the wig, so therefore it's not hanging. So now I am just going to blend my natural hair in with the unit. I probably should have done a wash and go. I think that would have been really fun. However, my hair was in cornrows, so I just decided to just kind of like utilize a little braid out. So now I'm just applying a little bit of my Shine Edge Gel, and then I'm just applying that around the part just to where I can get a little bit of shine and definition. And then y'all know me, I need my baby hairs. This forehead is not going to let me live without them. So I went ahead and just brushed down my baby hairs and then applied the edge band just to get those to set. So my natural hair did develop a little bit of frizz, so I'm going to give you guys a pro tip in order to combat that. I just sprayed those frizzy areas with a little bit of water. Now I'm applying my sea moss curling slime, and then I just wrap the frizzy areas around like the base of a comb, and then I'm just going to blow dry it. This is just like a little quick method in order to fix it. You guys can see how I just developed definition, so therefore it blends in perfectly with the wig. I'm going to continue that to the parts that did develop some frizz. Okay, you guys, so this is what this V part is looking like. I'm going to give you guys a quick little 360 so you guys can see all angles. Now I love the effortless kind of frizzy look. It kind of flows down to like a super defined curly look, making this unit look even more natural. Now me, when I dip my braids, I can't really braid my roots too tight because the way that my headaches are set up, so my roots do look a little straight, but that's what makes the unit look even more natural. Like it is literally growing from your scalp. People are not going to think that this is a unit just because of how effortless it looks and how it's not too perfect. Now I do want to give you guys a few different little styling options, and just in case you do want to wear this wig up off of your neck, because I do know that it's super hot out here, my neck is always sweating, so I love this little clipped up method. It takes literally a couple of seconds just to clip the unit up, and you guys do see the very back of the wig where the drawstring is at. It literally contours to your head, making this unit look super natural, and you can definitely pull out like your nape edges to make it look super natural. My hair is in cornrows, so I couldn't really do that, but y'all, endless possibilities. You guys have to definitely give this one a try. Now once again, this unit can be found at Unice. I'll have all the details located in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.